You can download the latest PL-600 exam dumps to best prepare for your Microsoft Power Platform Solution Architect exam. Passert new updated PL-600 dumps with 79 questions and answers to help you practice, and it can help you pass your Microsoft PL-600 exam successfully. Question 1. You are designing a Power Platform solution. The company wants its development team to adopt the construction of repeatable components for its implementation team to reuse on different entities and forms. You need to recommend a technology that meets these requirements. Which technology would you recommend the developers adopt to assist the implementation team? A. JavaScript. B. Power Apps Component Framework Control. C. Web Resource. D. Canvas App. Answer: B. Question 2. You are designing a Power Platform solution for a company. Users must be granted access only to data that is relevant to them. You need to recommend actions to meet the requirements. Which two recommendations should you make? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Add column security profiles to applicable teams. B. Define and configure security roles. C. Create teams and assign security roles and users to the teams. D. Create business units and assign security roles to the business units. Answer: B, D. Question 3. A company has a custom web-based solution that is hosted on Azure. You design a Power Platform solution to provide the company additional capabilities. You need to integrate the Power Platform solution with the web-based solution. What should you recommend? A. Connection reference. B. Custom connector. C. Desktop flow. D. Data gateway. Answer: B. Question 4. A company has a Power Platform solution that integrates with a third-party system. The client reports that unexpected updates are being made to the accounts table. You need to determine the root cause of the issue. In which 3 locations should you investigate? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Audit Summary View. B. Solution History. C. SDK Message Processing Steps. D. Plugin Trace Log. E. System Job Run History. Answer: A, B, D. Question 5. You need to recommend the field type to use for configuring meal selections during reservation. Which field type should you recommend? A. Global Option Set. B. Lookup. C. Option Set. D. 2 options. Answer: C. Question 6. You need to recommend a solution for agents when working with customers to make reservations. What should you recommend? A. Task flows. B. Business process flows. C. Workflows. D. Power Automate. Answer: B. Question 7. You need to recommend an authentication solution for the planned implementation of Dynamics 365. What should you include in the recommendation? A. Use synchronized identities. B. Use the Office 365 tenant for Dynamics 365 customer service. C. Create a new tenant for Dynamics 365 customer service. D. Use federated identities. Answer: A. Question 8. You need to recommend a solution for creating the initial inspection checklists. What should you recommend? A. Power Apps Maker Portal. B. Dataverse for Teams. C. Power Apps Studio. D. Data Migration Utility. Answer: B. Question 9. You are designing a Microsoft Power Platform solution. You need to identify the non-functional requirements for the organization. Which 3 non-functional requirements should you identify? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Usability of business process flows. B. Customer maintenance procedures. C. Business rules to identify top customers. D. Solution regulatory compliance. E. Time to load forms. Answer: B, D, E. Question 10. A company wants to add an interactive checklist to a Power Platform solution to ensure that salespeople are following the same steps when qualifying leads. You need to recommend a solution that will incorporate this checklist. What should you recommend? A. Microsoft Customer Voice. B. Business Process Modeler Task Guide. C. Dashboards. D. Business Process Flow. Answer: D.